In this video, I will show you how you can install YouTube on your iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, first of all, just open the control center on your iPad, then go to the connection section. Now over here, just make sure that your iPad is connected to your Wi-Fi network. After that, just go to your home screen and open the App Store, then tap on Continue. Now just tap on your profile icon over here and make sure that you're signed into your Apple ID. Now after you've done that, now you will be able to install YouTube from your App Store. For that, just tap on the search icon over here and search this. Now just select YouTube, then tap on Get to install YouTube on your iPad. Now it might ask you to enter the password of your Apple ID, or it might ask you to authenticate yourself using Touch ID. Now after you do that, you will install YouTube on your iPad. And this is how you can download YouTube on your iPad 11 A16. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.